All right, folks, now we're good. Everything's cool here. Everything's fixed on my computers. And we can take a look here at NVIDIA, see if we can come up with anything. So this is going to be, uh, Charlie and Pat Hammond helped us here. What this is an hourly chart. So we have an hourly breakout where we have a close above the top of the channel. We have a reversion back to that top of the channel, and then that's our entry. So it's come down a little bit here, but it's still a compelling play, especially when you look at it. This is the daily chart. It's also breaking out on the daily chart. Got through the 100-day moving average. It's got room to run. They've definitely. Uh, so that's what we're looking at here. So we've made the analytical decision to say that hey, that we are willing to take a look at getting a long position in NVIDIA. Well, let's see if anything makes sense from an option standpoint. NVIDIA is trading 169.80 right here, and we're going to go out to regular April, which is 418, and that has a 36.9 vol. We want to make sure that we're not running into earnings, which we are not. Earnings are up on May 5th. So in between now and the 18th, over the next 34 days, we're looking at anywhere between a 10 and 11.25% move, which translates to the high 186s to the high 189s. So now, is this going to make any sense for us as far as the strikes lining up? Let's get some more strikes on the board here. So going out there, I don't know that we want to target the 87 halves. Let's see if we can do something like a 180, 185 call spread. Sorry, that's supposed to be a negative sign there. A 180, 185 call spread right now. The market on that is 120 bid at 46, which puts 133 mid-market. Okay, so is that going to make any sense to us? 180, 185 call spread. Buy that one, sell that one. We know that's going to max out at 185 or higher, and we know that we're going to have to pay. Let's just say we have to pay $1.35 to get in this. Well, we know that we can make $5, right? Anywhere below the strikes, we're going to give up our premium paid. Our break even is going to be the strike plus whatever we pay in, so 181.35. That's going to be break even because we make $1.35 on our long 180 calls. The 85 calls are worthless, and we paid $1.35 to watch this movie play itself out. That's the break even. 85 or above, that's the max, because then we have a $5 in the money call that we're long. We have a worthless 85 call. We still have to pay the $1.35, so we can make $5 on our spread. We lose $1.35 for the premium that we paid to get in the spread, so we're netting out at $3.65. That's 2.7 to 1, and we're targeting less than a 59% confidence interval. I like that spread. So if we can get into this thing for 135, I would take a shot at that. Okay, any questions on that? If not, I'm going to put out the entry signal and see if we get in there. Right now the market's 120, bid at 150. I don't know what's going to trade inside there. I don't think we need to be aggressive here. It's a Friday. If we get our price, great. We'll hold it over the weekend. We have a whole nother month for this thing to work out. Okay, that's it for NVIDIA. Alrighty, I'm going to stop the recorder now and get this signal out to you and get the video out to you.